Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to part 2. Okay, so I have been adding 2 stitches at a time, and this is how it looks like. I know it's curling a bit, but this is the back, and this is how it looks like doing the increases. So I just can't wait to finish this to see the end result. I did put it on. The collar is pretty open, but I am planning to pick up stitches and making like a turtleneck. I don't know, just have these ideas, and then this will close up, but when I put it on, it just looks nice. I know it's a little bit knit. It's really hard to fit into the screen here for you to see, but yeah, so what I did is I added 2 stitches at a time on both, every row. And then what happened was here, when I came up to here, I just cast on these stitches, and you can see just this bit much. And then while I was adding stitches, I continued to do my increase for the Raglan, for the yoke area, as you can see, and I counted them. We started with 6. I can't remember how many on the first video. I should have explained. I did explain. So we started one here and we started one here. I removed the markers as I went down, and of course, the more we knit, of course, this is going to increase here because we're adding stitches. And the fabric is pretty nice. I'm knitting a 4mm knitting needle. And this is the yarn. So it is a DK. Just love the colors. And I am still using that one ball of yarn. Let me just pull it up from here so you can see. There's lots of yardage in these yarns, they're DK, right? So there's plenty of yarn. So just wanted to come and show you how it looks like, and I will come back to show you part 3 probably by then. What I will do is I will knit 9 inches. Well, I'm gonna try it on as I go. That's the thing, right? You need to put it on to see how it fits, and if you have enough boost area, the chest area, if it fits nicely, you can divide the body parts, dividing the body parts by separating the sleeves, and then continue on knitting the length of the sweater. And but other than that, yeah, here's my increase. I put a marker there, and I am knitting until I come, I believe it was 6 rows. And well, I'm not even counting anymore. I'm just looking. If I have the length, then what I do is I continue adding stitches, making stitches. So far, this is it. A lot of knitting involved. This is going to take me a while because I am doing other, I finished 2 pair of mittens, and yeah, so this is going to take me a while. So I did put the marker so I know after so many stitches, if I have about 1 inch, I start doing my increase. As you can see, I made an increase here and here. So just wanted to show you how it looks like. Okay, I will let you go and I will come back to show you, because I know lots of people are wondering, because part 1 did go viral. I have lots of you in comments and personal messages I'm receiving, so just wanted to come and show you. So the increase of this Raglan looks pretty nice. Yeah, I might, especially if you have variegated yarn, I would highly recommend using this technique. Because when you have variegated yarn, you can't do much, because it won't show the pattern usually. It usually looks good on solid colors when you're doing pattern stitches. But if you have variegated yarn, I would highly recommend this method, knitting top-down Raglan, doing this method of increase. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. And don't be shy, just hit that notification button. And so I will see you on my part 3, and I might even come back to show you how to divide the body parts, which I do have several tutorials, but yeah, we can do it together. And if you have any comments, questions, let me know. I will try to reply to you ASAP. You guys take care. Happy knitting. Bye-bye.